Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create threads on Discord. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Discord, the renowned communication platform catering to communities and gamers, offers an interactive approach to organizing conversations and participating in discussion through threads. Creating a conversation thread can significantly enhance the way member interacts. Threads in Discord allow users to break conversation into more manageable topic-specific discussion, helping maintain clarity and focus in larger community channel. So, how to create the threads conversation on your Discord is so simple. For the example, so first we can open our Discord, of course, and now let's say you want to create a threads on your server. So you can go to your server. You can just open the chat like this. Now you can just tap on here on the top of your screen. There is an option threads. You can just tap on that. So here's you can just tap on create threads. You can enter for the thread name for the title. For example, like this. You can also choose if you want to make your thread private. So only people who invite you and moderator can see these threads, or you can make it public. So here's you can just enter. So here's your threads. You can start the conversation in these threads. Like this, for example. So it will turns out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create threads conversation on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.